Today we're going to walk through how to move your Levrack system. In most cases, you do not need to fully disassemble the entire system. The cabinet assemblies can usually stay together, which makes the move a lot easier. Start at the top of the cabinet. Using a 3/4 inch socket, loosen the lock nut on the slotted side of the trolley. Once that is loose, lift and slide the wheel bracket toward the center of the cabinet and off the beam rail. This will allow the front of the cabinet to lower down to the ground. Next, gently pull the front of the cabinet by the handle. This will help drop the rear wheel bracket off the beam rail as well. Repeat this same process for each cabinet in the system. Once all of the cabinets are sitting safely on the floor, you can begin disassembling the pallet racking. Start by removing any wire decking and lights from the top of the beam rails. Then remove the front beam rail. This gives you open access to the cabinets sitting on the floor. From there, move each cabinet out of the area using a dolly. Once the cabinets are removed, you can finish disassembling the remaining pallet racking, including the 2 uprights and the back beam rail. To rebuild the system in its new location, simply repeat these steps in reverse order. And that's it. Your Levrack system is ready to move and be reassembled in its new space.